Hello my dear students, today we are continuing our video. That was not so bad. The part Margie hated most was a slot where she had to put homework and test papers. I told you earlier that the slot here means a given space, time or position. So Margie hated this mechanical teacher the most because she had to submit her homework and test papers to it. She always had to write them out in a punch code they made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. So Margie had to write her homework and her test papers in a particular punch code. Punch code is a computing language. She had learned the language at the age of 6. The machine checked the papers and calculated her marks in a few seconds. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick." Here you can see gear means adjusted to a particular standard or level. So in these lines, the county inspector said that Margie was getting bad marks in geography because the machine was not working properly. It was geared or it was adjusted to a higher level. Those things happen sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. So that county inspector, he tells Mrs. Jones that these things sometimes happens and I have adjusted it to an age of 10-year level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory, and he patted Margie's head again. The county inspector, he said that Margie was learning at a good speed, at a good pace, and he again patted Margie's head in order to cheer her up. Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. So Margie was very sad. Disappointed here means very sad, because she did not want to learn. She did want to study from this machine. And she wanted that the inspector should take it away. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. Blank out here means it has been erased. Margie is reminded of the time when Tommy's mechanical teacher had been taken away for repair for almost 1 month, and he was enjoying his time as he did not have any teacher. It had been taken away because the history sector means a portion of the machine that taught the history subject had been wiped out. So the mechanical teacher did not have any memory of it and had to be taken away for repair. So she said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about school?" In this way, we can get the idea that why Margie disliked school. And she asked Tommy, "Why would anyone write about school?" Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes, because it's not our kind of school. Stupid. This is an old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. He added loftily, pronouncing the word carefully, centuries ago. In these lines, we can read that Tommy was looking at the Margie with superior eyes because he knew something that Margie was not aware of. He said that Margie was silly because she did not know that many years ago school was not the kind they had. In this passage, you can see a word loftily. Loftily means here in a superior way. So Tommy wanted to stress on the time period and said that centuries ago the school were not like the ones they had. Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all the time ago. She sat the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. In these lines, Margie was hurt at Tommy's behavior, and she said that she did not know what kind of schools they had centuries ago. She was curious and imagined a group of children being taught by a human teacher. She looked over Tommy's shoulder, trying to read the book, and said that perhaps they had a teacher. Sure, they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher, it was a man. A regular teacher here means normal, of the usual kind, right? So Tommy is referring to a machine teacher as a regular teacher because that is what they are used to. That is a teacher they had, a machine. He said that it was not the machine, it was a man, human being who taught them. A man? How could a man be a teacher? So Margie, she could not believe that a man was a teacher because she had always seen a machine doing that. Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. Tommy tells that the man who taught the class discussed many things with the students, gave them homework, then asked them different questions based on it, just like the mechanical teacher did. A man is not smart enough. A man is not smart enough. Margie, she said that a man teacher is not as smart, as intelligent as a machine teacher. Sure, he is. My father? Sure, he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. Tommy, he asked Margie not to underestimate the human teacher. He said that he is knowledgeable as a machine. He compares a machine to his father and says that his father knows as much as his machine teacher. He knows almost as much, I betcha. Here betcha meaning is also given. It's an informal. I bet you, or when we speak in fast speech, I'm sure. So Tommy here, he could bet on it that the human teacher knew as much as a mechanical teacher did. So students, will continue our lesson in next video.